Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the probability. The topic today is about choosing the bonds in here. So we have the question. There are 3 red bonds, 4 blue bonds and 5 yellow bonds. A person selects 4 bonds. What is the probability to select the bond at least 3 yellow bonds in here? First, we need to calculate how many bonds in this situation. So we have 3 plus 4 plus 5. We got about 12 bonds in here. The question they mentioned, we need to find the probability that get at least 3 yellow bonds. So the next step we need to find that's about how many ways to select 4 bonds in 12 bonds first. We got about 495 or 495 ways in here. So we need to find different scenario in here. So we have 3 yellow bonds, so that we have 1 red bond, 3 yellow bonds, because we just select 4 bonds, so we have 3 yellow, 1 red. And next one, similar 3 yellow bonds and 1 blue bond. The question dimension at least 3 yellow bonds, this means we select 4 yellow bonds, so they still count it in this scenario. Scenario number 1, we have 1 red bond, 3 yellow bond, 1 red in here. And we got about C1 3 multiply with C, and we have 3 and with 5 in here. We multiply together and we got about 30 ways to do this. The next scenario, that's about 1 blue bond, 3 yellow bonds. In this situation, we have 1 blue is about number 4. We put number 1 and 4 in here. Multiply with the C, and we have 3 yellow bonds, so we put 3 and 5 here. There are 40 ways. And the last scenario, there are 4 yellow bonds, so we have combination is about C4 5, and that's about 5 ways. And we can calculate about probability in here. We sum all the number together. And we got about 0.15, or maybe we can put 15.15% in here. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.